Yo team, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This is a little bonus video. Initially it was supposed to be a two-part of the first day down in the South Island, but it felt a bit short and it lacked substance. It didn't feel like one of my regular videos, but I still wanted to show it to you guys because we catch some amazing fish. So we've just finished lunch, we get back to the river, and then what you're about to watch is what happened. Spoiler alert, we catch some really nice fish. Let me know what you think in the comment section, like the video, and I will catch all of you at the end.
Oh, yeah, bro, I see one up here. Dude, there's one here. See right here? Oh, yeah. So he's in that flow. Yeah. Just in front of that rock. Yeah, it looks good. That's pretty bloody good. He's coming. Wait. Yep. Oh, yeah. Let him go. Don't bump the reel. If he's gonna go, he's gonna go. Oh! Oh! Fucking Jesus! Holy crap! Don't bump the reel as that spinning. Keep your hand well clear of it. Does it feel too loose? No, I'd wind and run downstream. Don't grip it. Get ready to let go. Oh. The more you can have on the reel, the better. No, okay, I'll get the net. Oh no! Damn, that was a really good fish.
Yeah, look, she's right there. See?
The fish is right in front of us. Should I try and net it? Oh, another one with it. Another one just came over from the pool.
Yeah, it wrapped up.
Damn. Popped off. Fuck. You know what? We'll just have to find another one. Fish. Jesus. I was just about to fly the GoPro and then, oh, that's a donkey, bro. That's a donkey. Where's the net? Where's the net? I was just about to fly the drone. Line's hooked up. That looks super fresh. Yeah, I don't think he's woken up yet. Look at the size of the net. You know you're fishing for big fish when that's your net. Oh yeah! Oh bro, that's a sick fish. Man, that's the freshest looking fish we've caught today.
Sick. First big fish on fly.
Yeah.
Well done, bro.
Definitely biggest fish on fly.
Super cool fish. Well done, bro. Stoked for you. That is awesome.
So happy.
That is such a good fish. Alright. Yeah, sick fish. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Sick, bro.
Stoked.
We go. Could that be a fish? Nope. Dude, I've just hooked one while I wasn't even paying attention. Good fish, good 10 pounder. Good solid 10. I wasn't even really paying attention, but it was a fish, obviously. Huh? I don't know. I couldn't really see it. Yeah, another hen, I think. Oh shit, I think it's just gotten wrapped up. Yes, it has. Oh no, then I think it just came right. I couldn't really see this guy. It was more of a blind cast than anything. I was just moving my feet.
Nice fish.
Yeah, nice hen. I wonder if he'll play ball and let us land him here. Do you reckon it's too deep to stand there?
No.
Yeah, I wouldn't go jumping in there. Dude! Round 2, here we go. That's 5 minutes. Not even that.
13 or 14. Stop jumping. Yeah, 12.
Beauty. 2 12s, a 10 and a 20. This is stupid.
So I was just having a quick cast while Lance was on the phone. Boom. 12-pound hen. Really nice fish. Super cool. Alright, might just let her go. Happy? Oh. There she goes. Just chilling. Oh, that would have made the best underwater shot. No, I didn't bring my underwater camera. Super sick fish. Wow, that was like literally 2 casts into round 2. 12-pound hen. Super happy.
Yep. Good fish. Good fish. He's not even doing anything, he's just swimming. Oh, there he goes. He was wrapped, now he's just popped.
That's grown as that conclude. Holy shit.
Maybe dock down in there in case he gives you an opportunity early. He's just going to do a roll.
Oh, there he goes.
Back to come back here. Four fish and 4 carp?
Something like that, yeah. Oh, bro! Holy shit, what is this?
That'd be 18 probably.
Yeah, I don't think it's as big as the other one. Holy crap. This day started out slow.
What it was.
But,
Cream.
what's that?
It was the coffee and cream.
Coffee and cream sorted it. Gee, oh my,
So
look
chrome.
at this thing. This is ridiculous.
Oh.
Alright, so we guesstimated 18, just weighed it at 19.5. Slightly smaller than the one earlier. But what a amazing fish. Alright, see you, buddy. Or not.
It's the key to these, they just take a wee bit more to
She's ready to go. See you, girlfriend.
kick off.
So crazy. So that was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Catch some really nice fish. That fish Lance caught was, I can't remember now, 12 or 14 pounds. I don't know. He's only caught a couple on a flow rod, so amazing to be catching fish like that after such a short time. And then just so you know, that fish that Lance lost at the beginning, that would have been the biggest fish of this video. It was definitely 20 plus pounds, but that's always the way, isn't it? That's fisherman's tales. But yeah, no, that was a very, very good fish. Something that I've forgotten to mention in the previous videos and the videos going forward is that pretty much all of these fish, bar a couple, have been caught on clear drift eggs, but they're tied by a company called New Zealand Fishing Flies. And I will leave all this linked below, so go check him out. But he pre-ties the clear drift egg on a hook with a veil, and yeah, they do the trick. The veil helps keep them all together and make them last a lot longer, which you need, especially when you're fly fishing with them. But these eggs work really, really well. So wherever you are in the world, if you're fishing for winter trout, spawning trout, this is what you need. So hit up Reese. His link is in the description if you want to get some eggs that catch fish like you've seen in this video. Anyway, I've probably got more to tell you, but I can't remember what it is right now, other than I really appreciate you guys watching the video, really appreciate the support, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Peace.